Hi, I'm Danielle, the kitchen and cooking editor here at Reviewed, and today we're going to review the Ninja CREAMi. The CREAMi is an ice cream maker, but not the kind you're used to. There are no bulky bowls to freeze or compressor pumps. It's just the motor base, paddle, top, outer bowl, and these super cool pint containers you freeze your base in to make anything from milkshakes, sorbet, gelato, smoothie bowls, and of course ice cream. You can use just about any ice cream recipe you have, but if you don't even know how to make ice cream yet, it comes with a recipe book to give you all the ideas, tips, and tricks for how to turn simple ingredients into delicious frozen treats. Unlike many other ice cream makers, there's no bowl to freeze ahead of time. You just make your liquid base, put it in a pint container that comes with a lid, and freeze it for 24 hours. It might take some patience to wait 24 hours, but all you have to do is put it in the base, attach the lid, put it on the machine, spin, and you have ice cream in 2 minutes. And if you don't have that kind of patience, things like milkshakes and smoothie bowls and soft serve can be made without any waiting at all. The CREAMi has different functions for whatever you want to make. Sorbet, gelato, ice cream, milkshakes. One touch and you've got your frozen treat. So here are a few things we really like about the Ninja CREAMi. You can make your base in the pint and freeze it ahead of time, and then select one of several different functions: sorbet, gelato, ice cream, smoothie bowls, and with one touch, you have frozen treat in 2 minutes. These are also dishwasher safe, so cleanup is a breeze. The CREAMi can handle a variety of different ingredients, from frozen fruit to canned fruit. You can mix just about anything you want into one of these pints and have frozen treat in no time. We also really love that the CREAMi is an excellent sorbet maker. All that's in this pint is canned crushed pineapple, and we'll turn it into a delicious pineapple sorbet. While there is so much to love about the CREAMi, there were a couple of things that we didn't like how noisy it is. Granted, it works really quickly, so you don't have to put up with the noise for long, but it's pretty loud. And the price is a little bit higher than other ice cream makers. The CREAMi runs around $200, but that depends on how many pint containers you want to purchase with it. You can always purchase extras if you find yourself needing more. But for all you get, it really is worth it, but you have to make the investment. Overall, the pros of the CREAMi are that it's really easy to use, makes super creamy treats, and can handle chunky fruit with ease. The cons are that it runs pretty loudly and is on the expensive side. So, should you buy it? We say yes. If you like making frozen treats at home, or even if you don't know if you do yet, this machine will help you get all sorts of frozen treats all year long. The CREAMi will deliver amazing ice cream that you can make yourself, whatever flavor you like, whatever mix-ins you like, and you can stop spending a ton of money on ice cream at the grocery store. For the full review of the Ninja CREAMi, go to reviewed.com. Thanks so much for watching.